Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to unpin chat in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Snapchat. And the next thing you need to do is to come down below here, click on chat. Let's go to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply select a contact you want to unpin. So I'm going to select this. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on their username. And the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there, click on these three dots. Next thing you need to do is to click on chat and notification settings. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on unpin conversation. By the time you go back to your chat section, you are going to see them unpin, just like what you see right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to unpin chat in Snapchat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.